channel. My name is Ashli Ferguson. For those of you who don't know me, I'm here with my sis Lauryn.
Follow me on Instagram, Lauryn_Kai.
Yeah, basically, this has been a highly requested video. Not to sound out like, oh, highly requested, but really like a lot of people have been asking me about the HBCU in LA internship program. So we're gonna answer your questions because we did it this summer and it was like the best experience ever.
Amazing.
Like, right now, before we even answer any more questions, just apply. Like that is the answer. All right. Is it a paid internship? Yes, it is. Everybody through the HBCU.
All about the money.
Yup, we got paid. So, and our housing was paid for. That was
amazing. And that's really hard to find in LA. Like literally, my boss was like, "Where are you staying?" And I was like, "Oh, I stay like right over here." And she was like, "Oh my god, yeah, we stayed in Hollywood." For the whole summer, it's so expensive, and like it was just like really just a blessing.
Yeah, like not having to worry about rent in LA was kind of like unreal, like really unreal, because that's not a thing. Like everybody's
favorite moment during your internship.
Okay, my favorite part just in being in the whole summer was the BET Awards. Like I have wanted to go to the BET Awards since I was like 12. Like ever since I was really young and I used to watch them on TV. I was like, I need to go. So I went and it felt really great. It's a pretty great accomplishment. Like I know it's really easy for some people to go, but I was like, dang, how am I ever gonna be in LA at the time? And so it worked out that way. And I saw
sitting next to like the craziest people.
Right, and like we had free reign. Once you got into that place, you could literally
just talk to anybody.
So one surreal moment, I was at the MTV Movie Awards. They're like, hey, can you go sit in this seat right here? Like fill this seat. And when I sat down, I was at a circle table with the cast of 13 Reasons Why. I was too scared to look at first, so I just sat down and then I just swiveled around and looked. And at the whole round table, it was like the cast, like Tony and the girl who plays Sherry. Sorry.
Yeah. I'm trying to think. I don't know. Like my favorite moment. Lindsay Lohan had a show this summer that we were working on. Mind you, they were sending the cast out to Greece in 3 days. So we had 3 days to cast the whole show and find people who were willing to go to Greece for a whole entire month. So my boss was like, help me find people, like just help me. So I was able to find 2 people that got casted, and one of, yes, I was really happy about that because I did like my first official casting. So
that's a pretty big moment.
Yeah, I met Jake like 3 times.
Yeah, 3 times. we went to the movies with Trevor Jackson, so that was fun.
We did a lot.
Yeah, there were so many things that they just happened, because when you're in LA, it actually becomes regular to see these type of people, especially living in Hollywood. I would see some like famous YouTubers. I would see people who I just watch on Netflix all the time, and we definitely apply. Like I know what you're doing right now. Like you might be watching this video, but you really should just open the application and apply, because you don't want to wait till it's too late and be like, dang, I should have done this program. Like, just do it. What do they look for in interns?
I feel like there's like 2 groups of people. So there's like a group of people who have like done a bunch of internships that applied, and then there's a group of people who have never had internships that applied. So we had people who never had an internship get one and got into the program, and then we had people like me. I've had a lot of internships before, and I was able to. So I think it all depends on your resume and how you word things. So for example, if you do stuff on campus, like cater that into your resume, it looks like professional.
Right.
So
even that you're a good listener, hard worker, like just different professional skills that you have, because they can work with somewhat of potential. They're not just going to turn you away. They're going to work hard to get you in the room, get you an interview with one of the top companies. So that, I guess, goes to our next question, which is, how do I stand out as an applicant? Well, you should definitely get somebody who's good with resumes to look at your resume and look it over so it's perfect. Also, they have a personal statement little portion, and definitely like tell a story, be creative, and talk about like why the entertainment industry is important to you and how it's really affected your life. Your video, when they do like a video submission, try to get as creative as possible. Let us see, is it only for HBCU students or black students in general? HBCUs, like it's called HBCU in LA. So I feel like this is one program where we all get to be together. But every Thursday we have these like info sessions, like professional development panels, and it's open to like anybody. So there were black students that didn't go to HBCUs, or people who weren't in the program with us and still got to come and meet people and meet professionals.
So if you find yourself in LA over the summer and you don't get into the program, you definitely like DM like somebody who got into the program this year, like me or Ashli, and like if we're there, we could definitely bring you to one of the info sessions. Like you can still get the experience even if you don't get it. There's a bunch of just internships in LA, so if you don't get this program, there you can always like there's NBC Universal that you can apply to. Like just apply to a bunch of companies out in LA and just see if you get something, and then like you can like do a little housing situation. And even if you don't get it, like we said, like you can go to the info sessions and get acquainted with it. You know,
have options.
You have options.
Don't wait and wait and wait. Be like, dang, I could have been in that.
Don't be shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Yeah, and really show who you are until it's too late and be like, dang, I should have done this program. Like, just do it. Any last words? Enjoy LA for the time that you have it, because now we're just back here in DC and we're just like, it's like, dang, Dad.
It's sad, but like, you're still doing stuff and I'm still doing stuff.
Yeah, no, it really changed the game.
Ashli's working for CNN right now. Like, I just got done working on a movie literally last week. So we're still doing stuff. It's just not as like glamorous.
Yeah, that too. So if you liked this video, definitely subscribe.
I was gonna say, don't forget to follow me on Instagram.
If you have any more questions, like feel free to DM us or comment down below, and we will answer your questions. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.